Welcome friends, this is Atanu Chaudhary of SureSolve. Continuing from the first part of the video, in the second part, we'll solve the question 6 to question 10 of SSC CGL Algebra Solution Set 7 from SureSolve.com. Let's solve the first problem. Question 6 is, if x multiplied by x minus 3 equal to minus 1, then the value of x cube multiplied by x cube minus 18 will be option A 2, option B 0, option C 1, and option D minus 1. Comparing the target expression with the given expression, we decide to raise the given expression to its cube straight away. To get x cube multiplied by x minus 3 whole cube equal to minus 1. We'll expand x minus 3 whole cube in a compact form. So this results in x cube multiplied by x cube minus 9x multiplied by x minus 3 minus 27 equal to minus 1, or x cube multiplied by x cube plus 9 minus 27 equal to minus 1, or x cube multiplied by x cube minus 18 equal to minus 1. We got the value of the target expression. Answer option D. The problem is not that difficult as it looked like. Let's solve the next problem. Question 7 is, if x equal to root 5 plus 2, then the value of 2x square minus 3x minus 2 divided by 3x square minus 4x minus 3 is option A 0.525, option B 0.625, option C 0.785, and option D 0.185. The given value is a surd variable, and the choice values do not have surd at all. So we have to first eliminate the surd. In this case, it will be easy to do because the difference of the squares of the two terms, root 5 and 2, is just 1. In this situation, we can eliminate the surd by forming x minus 1 by x. This is equal to root 5 plus 2 minus 1 by root 5 plus 2. Rationalizing the denominator we have, this is equal to root 5 plus 2 minus root 5 minus 2 equal to 4, or surd is eliminated. Next target is now to form the expression x minus 1 by x in both the numerator and the denominator of the target expression. That is also easy to do. We divide both the numerator and the denominator by x and take first and third term together for both numerator and denominator. For the numerator we get 2 into x minus 1 by x minus 3, we divide it by x, and for the denominator we get 3 into x minus 1 by x minus 4. This is equal to 2 into 4 minus 3 by 3 into 4 minus 4 equal to 5 by 8, which is equal to 0.625. Answer is option B, 0.625. We have used two techniques here. First, we have eliminated the surd by forming x minus 1 by x, and second, we have formed the expression x minus 1 by x in both the numerator and the denominator by combining the first term and the third term in both the numerator and the denominator. These two terms have a special pattern. For both 2x square and minus 2, the coefficients are same, which is 2, and the difference in powers of x is also 2. The same rule is true for 3x square and minus 3. That's why we could form the expression x minus 1 by x out of these pairs of terms. Let's solve the next problem. Question 8 is, if p by a plus q by b plus r by c equal to 1, and a by p plus b by q plus c by r equal to 0, where p, q, r, a, b and c are non-zero, the value of p square by a square plus q square by b square plus r square by c square is option A 2, option B minus 1, option C 0, and option D 1. The problem statement is quite large. As many as 6 variables are also involved. It seems to be a complex problem. Then you notice a special pattern in all the three expressions. P by A, Q by B and R by C appear in all the three expressions standalone as if these are independent variables. In this situation, we can very well substitute x for p by a, y for q by b, and z for r by c. This will simplify all three expressions greatly. The first expression becomes just x plus y plus z equal to 1. The second expression becomes 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to 0. Simplifying, xy plus yz plus zx by xyz equal to 0, which means xy plus yz plus zx equal to 0. And the direct expression is transformed to x square plus y square plus z square. There is no trace of p by a, q by b or r by c. If we solve this problem, we solve the original problem. That is the advantage of dummy variables. From the well-known formula of x plus y plus z whole square, we get x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus yz plus zx. This is 0 and this is 1. So x square plus y square plus z square, which is p square by a square plus q square by b square plus r square by c square equal to 1. Answer is option D, 1. At the end, the problem is not so difficult as it seemed. Let's solve the next problem. Question 9 is, if equation 2x square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0 has two roots alpha and beta, then the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is option A 1 by 24, option B 7 by 24, option C 7 by 2, and option D 97 by 24. You have to know how to get the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta from a quadratic equation when the two roots of the quadratic equation are alpha and beta. But to simplify matters, we divide the given expression by 2, getting x square minus 7 by 2 x plus 6 equal to 0. So that we can express the equation straight away in terms of its roots as x minus alpha multiplied by x minus beta equal to 0. From this, you can easily see that alpha plus beta equal to minus 7 by 2, the middle term, and alpha beta equal to 6, the numeric term. Now we'll simplify the direct expression. Combining the two terms of the direct expression, we get alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. We will add 2 to this expression to form alpha plus beta whole square in the numerator plus 2 and compensate by minus 2 equal to alpha plus beta whole square in the numerator divided by alpha beta minus 2 equal to 49 by 4 in the numerator divided by 6 minus 2 equal to 49 by 24 minus 2 equal to 1 by 24. Answer is option A, 1 by 24. Not a difficult problem. Let's solve the last question. Question 10 is, if a minus b equal to 3 and a cube minus b cube equal to 117, then absolute value of a plus b is option A 5, option B 7, option C 3, and option D 9. We'll straightaway expand a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. This is a standard two-factor expansion of a cube minus b cube. Or 117 equal to 3 multiplied by a minus b whole square plus 3ab. equal to 3 into 9 plus 3ab. From this, we'll get the value of ab. 117 divided by 3 is 39. So 39 minus 9 equal to 3ab. It follows ab equal to 10. With values of a minus b and ab, we can get the absolute value of a plus b easily. A plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab equal to 9 plus 40 equal to 49. So a plus b equal to plus minus 7. Absolute value will be 7. Answer option B, 7. Overall, none of the 5 problems is easy, but we could solve them quickly by pattern discovery and using suitable methods. If you want to read the detailed solutions, refer to the article in suresolve.com. We have given the link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.